This AK Garage. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Today I want to show you how to take off the steering thyroid ends. The thyroid ends when we are about to remove this thyroid ends. This is Equinox, Chevy Equinox. This steering rack is electronics one. You remove this one out. You hit it with hammer. Before you get this one out, you have to hit with hammer. You hit it here. Hit several times before it's removed from this joint. So before you hit with hammer, not affect the steering motor. You're supposed to select this one, lose this one small before then you remove this one. You lose this one, then this one will remove out of this, separate from this joint, steering and thyroid ends here. Then you hit it. After that, then you hit it with hammer so that will not affect your steering motor. It affects the steering motor, the steering wheel. When you're driving, you find it difficult to control because it will become hard. It will be hard. It will be hard for you to control. So to avoid that, to buy a new rack completely, you need to go through this process before you use hammer to hit and separate it before, because we want to change. Because maybe this one is weak. As it's weak like this, you have to change the ends. So you have to hit before you change. So you go through the process, you loose here, then you remove this one, use the 13 spanner because this is the Equinox, Chevy Equinox. Use the 13 spanner here to loose this one and separate this joint from this joint. Then start to hit. Use hammer to hit it. Use hammer to hit it so that we will not be affect the motor. There's a motor over there. This is the motor. Will not be affected to buy. End up to buy a new steering rack. This is the motor I'm talking about here. You can see this one. This steering rack have been changed, all because of heating and heating and heating and heating. So hit it one, it affects two, you see anything three times, it gets your steering rack spoiled. Then your steering rack, if you are driving and see that the steering rack, the steer have been a hard way to control, that means your motor has damage due to heat. So you don't hit it whilst it's joining. You lose this one small, then use that 13 spanner to remove this one before you hit. When you know that see that the ends is weak, you see this ends is weak. So this one is weak like this, you're supposed to change it. When you're about to change it, don't hit it straight, otherwise the whole rack will be affected and you end up changing the rack instead. You're changing the rack. So don't try to hit it, but you do in a process way so that you save this motor, because it's very expensive to buy all this rack done to remove this one from this one, separate them before you hit. So this is AK Garage. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, and then it will help the improvement of my channel and the video. And then I like to see your comments, you share, your like. Thank you. Thank you for that. AK Garage. Thank you.